Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will help you understand how to play Clash of Clans for the very first time. This game combines strategic building, resource management, and exciting combat. You'll construct your own village, train a powerful army, and defend against enemy attacks while also launching your own raids. The goal is to grow your village into an unyielding fortress and conquer others. Let's dive into the core mechanics and get you started on your journey to becoming a legendary chief. Building a strong village is crucial for success. Always focus on upgrading your town hall first, as this unlocks new structures and powerful troops. Strategically placing your defenses, such as cannons and archer towers, is key to repelling invaders. Remember to upgrade your resource collectors and storages to gather and protect your valuable gold and elixir. Clearing obstacles around your base can also yield valuable gems, which are premium currency. Attacking other players' villages is how you earn resources and trophies. Before deploying any troops, always scout the enemy base to find its weak points. Deploy your army strategically, perhaps using a few giants to absorb damage while archers deal damage from behind. Spells, like the healing spell or lightning spell, can turn the tide of battle. Your goal is to destroy at least 50% of the base to earn 1 star, or 100% for a perfect 3-star victory. Clans are a vital part of the Clash of Clans experience, offering many benefits. By joining a clan, you can request and donate troops, which significantly boosts your offensive and defensive capabilities. Participating in clan wars allows you to battle other clans for massive bonus loot and experience. You can also team up for clan games, completing challenges to earn valuable rewards. Communicating with your clanmates provides a great source of advice and camaraderie.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.